Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to change the default home launcher app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up your phone and then just scroll up and select the settings menu. Select the apps button on this page and then select the default apps under general. Select the home app. Go ahead and select that. And then if you have multiple home apps in here, just select the other one from the list that you want to change it to. And that's all you have to do. So this tutorial applies for Samsung Galaxy, for Google Pixel, and basically all Android phones. So pretty straightforward process. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.